Wilson's eating blueberries all on his own, but he doesn't want the skins, only the inside, so he's juicing them into his mouth and then leaving the skins on his tray. That's why I need another one. Oh, Mr. Wilson. Oh, goodness, you had a skin hanging out of your mouth. Good job, you're eating your skin. Oh, eat your blueberry. Eat your blueberry. I'll give you another one. I'll give you another one. Pick it up. Yeah, pick it up. There. Oh, there you go. Good job. Good job there, buddy. Wow. Let's look at Wilson's lap. What's down there? Blueberries on the lap. Yeah, blueberry baby. You're a good boy. You want another blueberry? It's the last one? You got the last one there. You got 3 left. Almost got it. You almost got it. That you didn't get it that time. What are you picking up? Oh, you get it good? Yeah. I think your face is going to be stained. Okay. Good job. Oh, wait a second. I don't think that made it in. I think it's in your lap. Let's try another one. Yeah. Go ahead and try another one. Yep. You want to get that one out of your lap? Uh-huh. Yeah. What are we doing? They're funny, huh? Funny little blueberries. Pick them up. Mostly you're using your right hand, huh? Oh, squishy. Very squishy. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Do you like blueberries? When did you get the last? Are you going to pick up the squished one? Oh. Yeah. Good job. Good job, Wilson. You're feeding yourself. You're such a big boy. Is that too much for you? Oh, you did it. You did it. Good job. Good job. Yay for Wilson. Yay. You want your last one? Do you want the last one? There it is. Or you want some that are in the seat? You can get some of your old ones? Let's forget those. They're in the sink. Oh. No, you found something. You found the... Oh, yeah, the straps. You're going to stain them all purple? Oh, good. Let's stain them all purple.